Hey there guys, welcome to K-Sid's 2012 Panini Prominence Football Single Box Break number 2. So last time it ended was the Washington Redskins on November 17th at 10:33 p.m. Eastern Time. So go up to current eBay Dane Time tab, hit refresh. So, alright, we'll refresh one more time since camera's focusing. So current eBay Dane time is Saturday, November 17th at 7:59 p.m. Pacific time, and Saturday, November 17th at 10:59 p.m. Eastern time. So just a little over half hour since this item ended. Oh, sorry. So back to auction number 2. So serial number we're doing tonight is 64618092551. Okay, so that's it's actually Panini's serial number, how they allocate it to stores. So I like to use these as references. So number 64618092551. So we'll go over the box. Sealed all the way around. So I'll show you guys serial number one more time and we'll get started. So good luck, guys. There we go. Empty. So I'll move the two bases to the front. Okay, so we start off with Matt Flynn for the Seattle Seahawks out of 897. Next one we got Josh Cribbs for the Cleveland Browns out of 897. Josh Cribbs. Then we got Matt Schaub for the Houston Texans, 897. And we got a Legends of Frank Gifford for the New York Giants. And we got Randall Cunningham for the Minnesota Vikings, 897. And oh, this is a little different. Is it? Oh, I thought that was. So we got Kobe. Kobe Flenner. It looks like a helmet auto or something like that. And that's out of 121 of 175. And next one we got for the Pittsburgh Steelers of David DeCastro. Prominence rookie auto out of 349. And we finish off with rookie jersey of Ronnie Hillman for the Denver Broncos, I believe. Yeah, Denver Broncos out of 299. So I don't think we have any randoms to do. So other than that, thanks as always, guys, and be sure to check out the boxes of Prominence ending tomorrow, certified, and Hockey the Cup coming out of a new case. So thanks again.